Hello, wonderful people. My boys and I are going outside because it's nice and sunny outside. We are going outside to get some energy. Say hello.
Hi. Hi.
We're going to get some energy. We are all barefooted. So, going to plant my feet, our feet, in the dirt so we can get some power. You know, we are powerful beings, powerful people. And I feel this sun. We was out already for like 10 minutes, but I just want to make this video for you. So we going out to feel, get some power from the dirt. We are barefooted, getting some power from the dirt. It feels so nice. Where you going, Liam? Come back. Come back. And I have my Sorosea leaves batch here. You just have to know what it looks like. But here they are.
I want to have this. You want to put your feet in the dirt? Yeah. Okay.
This is my Sorosea leaves. I have a garden of Sorosea over here.
Yeah, right here.
It's hidden inside my flowers because they're like shades. Shade and sun. Okay, you are having too much fun in that dirt. And I like to meditate a little, talk to the universe, and order the universe to bless me with everything that I want and take everything that I want, all the positivity, all the positive energy for my skin,
Watch this. Yeah.
my feet, the bottom of my feet that's in the dirt. Become one with Mother Nature and the universe. I'm already connected with the earth because I am the earth, I am nature. The sun feels so nice. I love the feeling of the sun on my body, on my skin.